I'll be very brief, I won't say much, but I want to make a couple of important points. First of all, what Ezra described in the court today, we knew was going to happen, but was unbelievable. And what did it say? It bears out exactly what I said this morning, which this was a political prosecution for political reasons. And we are in a very, very dangerous situation in this country. I'm going to say two things which I believe, which I have come to believe over my political career over the last 27 years and my 15 years as an MP for London. The government of this country is now the enemy of its own people. The mainstream media are the enemies of democracy. But you only have one weapon, and that weapon is the vote. Because the only way that you can change anything is by putting a different set of people in the House of Commons. There is no other weapon in a democracy. Now, I don't have a rose-tinted view of that because we know that it hasn't served us well. But why hasn't it served us well is because the people of this country have gone on voting Labour, Tory, Tory, Labour. They are entrenched in power, they are rotten to the core, and the only way you are going to change anything is to vote for something different. And you saw over the last 3 years, the British people in 23rd of June 2016 voted to leave the European Union. What did you see? You have seen a relentless 3-year campaign by the media and the political establishment to make sure that doesn't happen. And what did we see during the recent European election campaign? We saw the media launch a relentless campaign against me and UKIP. Attack, 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 while at the same time they relentlessly promoted the Brexit Party. Well, they won that victory. They got UKIP out of the European Parliament and they put the Brexit Party in. I'm not complaining, that's democracy, people vote one way or another. But I'm telling you now, whoever wins the next election, if it's Labour or Tory, you are going to end up in an even worse place than you are now. I said this morning that I still had faith in the English legal system. We gave the world the fairest legal system there's ever been, evolved over centuries, that was designed to protect the innocent as much as convict the guilty. And the judge in there now is going to have history looking at him. The verdict of history will be, will he overturn this political prosecution, this persecution of a man on no evidence, which makes us look like the old Soviet Union or some tin pot dictatorship? Or will he acquit Tommy Robinson and show that English justice still reigns? I hope that he makes the right decision. Thank you.